Hi class! The lesson we're learning today are about biomes around the world. When you look at this picture, you can see that there are many different animals that live on Earth. But how is it possible to habit so many different species all on a single planet? This is because Earth is made up of different biomes. So what are biomes? The definition of biomes are areas of the Earth that are characterized by specific factors such as climate, plants, and animals. While it is an ongoing debate on the exact total number of biomes, we will talk about the 5 main ones today. The aquatic and marine biome. Basically, this is any part of the Earth that is covered in water. It is the largest biome and it is divided by two types, freshwater and saltwater. The animals you can find here range from fish, dolphin, sharks, seals, and plenty of more. You can find kelp, algae, and plenty of coral reef here. Deserts. This is the hottest and driest biome. These areas are closer to the equator. It goes through extreme temperatures from the raging heat in the day and freezing cold at night. With less than 25 centimeters of rain each year, only specific species of animals can live here, such as camels, lizards, and the desert fox. The most common plant here are cactus. Forests are the largest land biome with the widest variety of organisms. With its vast land dominated by trees and vegetation, forest occupies 1/3 of Earth's landmass. There are many different subdivisions: rainforest, temperate, chaparral, alpine, and taiga. However, we won't be going over these in depth right now. Grasslands are the transition lands from deserts to forests. It mostly has temperate climates that are mostly dry but with a wet season. It can be found on every continent except Antarctica. Some of the most majestic animals live here, such as elephants, zebras, giraffes, and bison. And like the name states, the plants that you can find are grass. The final and coldest biome of them all is the tundra. With dryness all year, this biome can reach freezing temperatures. Tundras are located above the Arctic Ocean and are most famously known for their polar bears, wolves, and caribou. Surprisingly, some plants can survive through these temperatures, such as lichen and moss. As you can see, our world is made up of diverse elements which habits millions of animals today. We must try to understand all the characteristics of each biome if we hope to learn more about ecology. Our next classroom activity will help you research and discuss more about each biome.